Okay, guys. So, um, microphone thing seems to be working pretty good. Okay. Um, so I'm happy with that at the moment. I still want a better microphone. I'm still not happy with the clarity. I don't know if it's um, it's not as clear as I would like it to be. Okay. However, uh, it's 20 times better than what it was with the last microphone. So, um, I'm gonna end up getting a more expensive one, better quality one. But at this point, it's doing its job. So, okay, so my nose is clogged up. It causes me to cough and stuff like that. So just bear with me. Um, because it's been really bad this month. I mean, like really, really bad. It's like I just can't. It just won't go away. It's always in my throat. So, um, I don't think I've told you this, but because I took a break from work and life for a couple of years, uh, you know, I have uh, gotten rid of a lot of my stuff. Okay, meaning that I am having to rebuild from scratch. Okay, now not a big deal because I've done this 1,000 times in my life, so rebuilding has never been an issue with me. However, but you gotta understand, I don't like being bothered in my life. Okay, especially when I'm doing something. Okay, and when I'm living at somebody's place. Okay, and everything's fine when I'm here, but all of a sudden, I go away for like a week, and they start complaining and bitching about my servers or my equipment, and I'm just like, you know what, just throw it away. You sure? Yeah, just get rid of it because I don't want to be bothered. Okay, and I can always buy another one. All right. Now, don't get me wrong. When you have 40 terabytes of storage, okay, in hard drive space, you kind of have a regret, a regretting moment, like a remorse, like I wish that was stupid. Now that wasn't my intention. That was a mistake. But my focus wasn't the hard drive space. I wasn't even thinking about it. I didn't even realize it until I actually came back here, and I was like, "Oh my God, you did not allow them to throw away your hard drives. Oh my God." Okay, who cares? I can still always rebuild. All right. It's just spending $1,500 for a set of hard drives isn't really the easiest thing on the planet, right? So and I don't care. I don't care if you. I don't care how much you get paid. It's just like, oh my God, that was a lot of that was I that was a lot of money to buy for hard drives, right? And it took me a while to find those hard drives, especially the connection type. I think it was can't remember, right? Um, and so I am starting from scratch, okay? Meaning that I have my routers and my switches still, okay? But I don't have any servers. I can't do my VMs, okay? So I gotta get servers, hard drives, RAM, okay? Because I got two servers sitting here, but they have no hard drives or RAM in it. So you know, I don't even have a KMV, okay? Um, Setup. So I got a keyboard, mouse, and monitor, so I can at least see the server even posts. So okay, um, then I got to fill up with memory, fill up with hard drives, figure out what VM system I'm going to use. Am I going to use ESXi 5.5 or 5.1, which is what I have here, or in my backup storage, or am I gonna go to what was it, Proximy or whatever the hell it's called, a Promox or whatever, um, because I have tried that already and I couldn't get my VMs to load or work. Okay, and I'm if I can get ESXi 5.5 or 5.1 to work, I'm going to be using that. I don't care as long as my VMs work. I'm fine. Okay, I still have not been able to get the CSR 1000 Vs or CSRs um, to work either. Okay, I could not get anything to work. Okay, in ESXi, I don't have bare metal to install it yet, but I tell you what, I could not get it to run in a Windows machine. Okay, so so we got that I have to deal with, and we also have, and this is just an update video. I still have to get um, another microphone, but that doesn't stop me from continuing. I still get me a camera, okay, because my camera stopped working, right? Everything was fine, and all of a sudden it just stopped working. Okay, and again, it's old computer. It's very old camera. Okay, I've had it for over a decade. So, and I know it. I know it's not the camera. I just know it's a driver issue. Okay, and I know it has to do with something like that. And I'd rather just get another camera. I also have to get a drawing pad. Okay, so until I get those things, I can't get back to full, um, you know, um, get the videos back to the way I like to have them. Okay, uh, drawing on the screen is so crucial doing this stuff. Okay, now as I'm trying to ramp up to get back to our network topics. Okay, this is what I've been going through. Okay, so just think of it as a means of just like I was with my CCNA days. I mean, it took me a long time before I got a drawing pad. It's just this is just where we are, but we're gonna get through it. We got one of our major issues solved at the moment, which is the microphone. So I mean that's a good plus right there. But nonetheless, I just wanted to give you guys an update, and I will see you guys on the next one.